Unlock the true potential of your coding with Deepseek and V's Code, transforming your development experience into an iPod powerhouse. First, we need to get the necessary tools. Open your Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view, usually found on the left-hand sidebar. In the Extensions Marketplace, search for Deepseek. You'll find our dedicated extension. Click Install to add it to your V's Code environment. Once installed, a quick reload of V's Code will be prompted. Just accept it. Now let's configure Deepseek to work best for you. Go to your V's Code settings. You can do this by clicking on File, then Preferences and selecting Settings, or by using the keyboard shortcut. Within the settings, search for Deepseek to easily find all its options here. You'll typically need to enter your Deepseek API key, which you can obtain from the Deepseek platform. You can also select the specific Deepseek model you wish to use for different tasks. With Deepseek integrated, the magic begins as you write code. You'll notice intelligent, context-aware code completion suggestions popping up in real-time. Deepseek analyzes your code and provides relevant snippets, function calls, and even entire blocks of code, significantly speeding up your typing. But it doesn't stop at completion. Hover over certain lines of code, or use the dedicated commands to get iPod explanations of complex logic, identify potential bugs, or even receive suggestions for refactoring your code to be more efficient and readable. This drastically streamlines your debugging and code review process. You can also leverage Deepseek for natural language interactions. Ask questions directly within V's Code about your project, inquire about specific functions, or request code snippets for particular tasks, and Deepseek will provide insightful answers and code examples directly in your IDE. Explore the Deepseek panel within V's Code, where you can engage in dialogue with the AI, ask for code generation based on your descriptions, and manage your AI-assisted development features. This integration is designed to feel seamless, making advanced AI assistance a natural part of your everyday coding workflow.